Hi, this is David with Hagerty and our Redline rebuilds. Hey, you might recognize this area here from our barn find hunters.
Bada bing, bada boom. Says a 58 wagon up there. And an old low strength roof. We be here.
There'll be a link right up here for the episode. We're over at the Fisher's house and we found a project that we can't live without. We think it's going to be a fantastic Redline rebuild, but oddly enough, I got to use a shovel to start off with an engine project. So follow me. So as you can see, there's quite a few cars up in here. They are stuck in here. I'm not sure. It looks like they were all driven in this, dumped. But right here is our gem. This is our diamond in the rough. It has a stove bolt 6. It's a 1955 window, 3/4 ton truck. It is rough around the edges and it is sunk into the ground a little bit, but we did have this hood open. Hey, did we get it? Haha. And for the record, the last 3 guys that I've talked to that were working around here couldn't get it open, so one for us. Hey, look at that. Nice. We know the motor turns over, so it is not seized up, but that's as far as we know. We don't know the last time it was driven, none of that type of stuff. But as you can see, I need to do some digging just to get the chains on it so Brickyard can help me lift this out of here. So the first thing we got to do though is get this T-bird out of the way, and it's got to go that way. Thankfully there's no trees to cut down. Pretty tight when the world has come to your belt line of your door. It's probably not so good for this one. I see that. Yeah, it's twisting it right out. There we go. So the T-bird is basically tearing itself in half because it's rotted to beat the band. But Greg's getting it up on the flatbed here for us. Now, my optimism for the pickup truck is this. It's a truck, it's a Chevy, and it's got a heavier frame if nothing else, and a little bit more ground clearance. We hope. Back to digging ditches. I prefer to look at it as clearing paths for new opportunities. All right. Plan of attack here is we got a little bit cleared out in front. I went and grabbed the floor jack. I'm gonna see if we can get it up enough to reach in and grab the axle, front axle with it. This frame at the front side seems to be a lot better than the last one. And yeah. So far so good. Okay, so the front tires are locked up. 2 inches, doing good. Doing good. Nice. Hey, it's out of the dirt. It's out of the dirt. The frame doesn't. look too bad. Back end's fine. Axle's in it. The body didn't separate. I'm optimistic. I'm still optimistic. It is on the flatbed. We're gonna take this back over to our video shop and then start assessing it in a real keen eye to see where we're at. All right, so here's all I can say about this. The truck is here. I can't promise anything after that, but we're gonna give it our best shot. Have fun, learn something, and hopefully put this truck back on the road and not left to die in the dirt.